Alright, 200 microfarad filter capacitor from a television. Inside 2 apples, and I'm feeding it 300 volts DC with the incorrect polarity. This is going to end in tears. 3, 2, 1. 18 amps. It's on full ballast. That's the effect I'm looking for. Oh, that was good. I think it's dead. Dead now. That apple has an unusual growth. Thanks to Mark for donating these apples. Oh, that was nuts. I think we can thank Brad's grandmother for donating the television that cap came out of. That's pretty good. Power's off, so yeah. It took a shit big time.